Still didn't come up. So you've been on YouTube searching for what is the best DAW. I'm here to tell you from my personal experience that there's no such thing as the best DAW. What you should have been searching for is what is the best DAW for your workflow. With that being said, let's talk StudioOne. Hey, I'm Shaderio, and welcome to my home studio where we discuss a lot of music and a lot of equipment. Right, so you've been on YouTube for a minute and you've been comparing programs, trying to figure out what is the best DAW. What is everybody recommending? I don't know if you are a composer for a short film, producer, rapper, mixing engineer, or you just about to open up a studio. That is your workflow. That is what you need to focus on when you trying to decide which DAW that you're gonna use. For a long time, I was a Pro Tools user and I used to produce in FL Studio. And then I ran into Logic, and here it is today with StudioOne doing most of my production right now. I use two DAWs. I know most people can't afford to operate on two DAWs. Pro Tools is a subscription. You pay like $35 a month. You can kind of cash out on StudioOne for like $279, or you can get their subscription, which is $15 a month. Maybe you should be looking for what is the best overall DAW for you that you can do everything in, that you can track vocals, produce tracks, and edit as far as film go. When I speak on StudioOne, I'm speaking from my personal experience. StudioOne, it supports unlimited tracks, unlimited buses. Now, for somebody like me, and most likely you, if you're watching this, we have a home studio. We don't need unlimited buses. We're not tracking some big band, 8 mics hooked up to the drums. We got a guy over here playing the guitar. We don't need all that. We're just in here rapping, trying to do a little mix or whatever. We might have a track out or whatever, but unlimited buses is always good. It's always good when you ain't gotta ask for it. It also has chord detector. If you got a loop sample and you don't know the key, it turns into a MIDI file, and you're able to take that MIDI file and apply it to VST that you have pulled up. Your MIDI keyboard, plug and play. One of my favorite things about StudioOne, the file system. Right there on the right side, you got everything you need from instrument, loops, files. You can browse drum kits, Logic, Pro Tools, these other programs. You got to go all the way out of the program. StudioOne, the file system is right on the side. You got everything you need. Just the other day, I clicked on Pro Tools and
1 hour later. 2 hours later.
still didn't come up. And the last thing I want to talk about when it comes to StudioOne, the StudioOne remote, straight fire. You know, I built the booth and I be wanting to record myself. Hit record. It's really quick. Lately, I have been tracking my vocals in StudioOne. If I had to choose a DAW overall for me, it would definitely be StudioOne. All right, so if you ain't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like I say, we discuss music and a lot of equipment on this channel. Now I think we had 64 subscribers today, so my milestone is reach 100 by the end of the year. So we're already here in December. So, and comment below what DAW is you using, like what's the best overall DAW for you. I love music, man. And yeah, and we out.